Powerful people understand one simple truth: you don't have to do everything yourself. In fact, the most effective leaders rarely do. Instead, they use the skills, knowledge, and efforts of others, and then make sure the results shine back on them. That's the essence of Law 7. When you let others put in the effort while you take the recognition, you multiply your power. History is full of leaders who mastered this art. They let their advisors, workers, or allies handle the hard tasks, but they positioned themselves as the face of success. The public remembers the name at the top, not the team behind the scenes. But here's the key. This isn't about being lazy. It's about being strategic. You focus on directing, on vision, on controlling the outcome, while others handle the details. The world rewards results, not the process. So remember, don't exhaust yourself trying to do everything. Learn how to delegate, how to gather talent, and most importantly, how to make success reflect back on you. That's how true power builds. And in the next video, we'll dive into Law 8, where we'll uncover why making people come to you is far more powerful than chasing them.